Hey guys, I wanted to do this video tutorial because a handful of you have recently bought some beautiful leggings, and I wanted to show you some different ways you can wear the leggings with. So here are my leggings that I have. This is size TC, everybody. So if you're I'm wearing just a plain black tank top. There's a couple of different ways you can do this. First, I'm going to show you how to turn leggings into capris. All right guys, so here are my beautiful legs. Just joking. But first I'm going to show you how to turn them into capris. So sometimes these TCs have extra length, like for me. So what you're going to do is you're going to first make sure they're pulled all the way down, just like that. And then what you're going to do is you're going to grab a bunch of wherever you would like the capri. I think I'm going to want the cut right here. So you're going to grab a whole bunch, and then you're going to lift up like this, and then you pull that bunch down, and that's how you turn them into capris. I'm going to do it the same way on this side. See, they're all bunched up in the bottom here. I'm going to grab where I want. I'm going to pull up and then bring back down, and bam, you got your capris. Okay, so now I'm going to show you how you can wear your leggings rolled up. So again, we're going to make sure they're all the way at the bottom of your legs. And what you're going to do is you're going to grab the bottom, you're going to just fold it over again. And you can do it 2 times, but I like to do it 3 times because I have shorter legs. 3, and that's how you cuff them. Here comes the other one. We're going to fold it over twice, and then fold it over 3 times, and that's how you wear them cuffed. All right guys, so now I'm going to show you how you can style your leggings. What I'm wearing, like you saw earlier, is just a regular black tank top, and if you want to cover up your arms a little bit, I would recommend wearing a vest like this. And you can wear your vest like this any way you want. So I think it's kind of cute. It kind of brings it out very casual, very cute for whatever you want. Or you can wear it with an Irma top. Let me show you what that looks like. And here is an Irma top. I'm wearing a large Irma top, so let me show you what it looks like behind. So it kind of covers like this, but it's really comfortable and cute, and it covers your arms. Remember, this is a large Irma top, and I'm usually a size 14. So let me show you a couple of different ways what you can do. I'm wearing the same black top underneath. You can grab one end of your Irma, and you can make a little cute knot. So I'm tying a knot. Let's see. And there you go. Make it if you want to make it a little loose, tighter, just tie a little knot. Super duper cute, you guys. Or if you want, I have this cute inside knot. So I have my trusty rubber band. So what you're going to do is, for this, you're going to, from the inside, so you see how I did that? You're going to grab a bunch from the inside. And then what you can do, you can either knot it, or if you have it, I'm going to use a rubber band. A small rubber band, not a big rubber band. And I do that. And then what I do is I flip it over and I kind of rustle it up a little bit. Then you can wear it like that. And it still gives you a little loose, but it's still a little tight here in the front, just to give it a little bit more definition to your curves, ladies. But yeah, super cute like this. Now I have another top, or rather dress, you can wear with leggings. I'm going to show you how it looks with the Carly dress. The Carly dress. I am wearing a size medium Carly dress. Now you see how it's a little bit long for me. For some people with longer legs, it looks perfect like this, but I would rather have some of my legs showing, some of my print. So what you can do with the Carly dress is grab, so let me show you, grab one end from right here, and you just pull it through this way, and you can have it as short or long as you want. And I'm gonna tie a knot here, and there is my Carly dress tied. And this is how the back looks like. Remember, I'm a size 14 and this is a medium Carly dress. Super duper cute. If you don't like this thing, you can make it into a little cinnamon bun. You can just tuck it in that way. You can do it like that. Cute, 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 you guys. All right, guys, thanks so much for watching my tip on leggings and Irma and Carly. If you have any questions, go ahead and let me know in the comments below, and I really appreciate your feedback. All right, guys, I'll see you later. Love you all. Bye.